Hello friends, a very good evening to everybody. So if you see, it's raining very heavily in Chennai, and due to the heavy wind and heavy rain, our garden is damaged a lot. So you can also see, due to the heavy rain, all the dry leaves and new leaves and some stems of the coconut tree fell down in our garden. So you can also see, this is the condition of our garden. Luckily the tree didn't fall down. At first, due to the sound, I thought the tree only fell down, but no problem, this only fell down, and here also many fell down. So our steps and our garden is really very damaged. So that side I will show you now. So this is the condition of our steps. And here also. So now we will see the condition of this area. So you can see thunder is also coming. So here some coconut and branches also fell down, and see here also, and here, and in front of our home also many fell down. I think I can see from here clearly.